Yep. Good afternoon, everyone. So Xteven here. I'm from XTS Technologies. I'm the co-founder and MD for XTS Technologies. So this will be our investment deck for the excellent total solution in leading factory automation towards Industrial 4. So what is the pain point now for the customer is the current manufacturing and warehouse, they require a lot of manpower to do the job. So now it's very difficult to hire, not consistent and very costly. And another thing is they don't have the traceability on the workers and machine utilizations. So what our product is actually XTS Industrial Forward. So we develop the automation system up from production up to the warehouse logistics by robots or machine that developed by XTS. So we from automation module, such as you can see the cooking module, up to the production line, like what you see in the factory automation, welding, and warehouse automation, and this is ready for Industrial 4. So this will be a short video that the product that we produce. So we are the excellent solution for Industrial 4. From idea, we go up to design. We design, we build, we deliver to the customer. So on the right hand side is what we draw, and the left hand side is what we do. So we do robot system that replace the human, no human errors, and very consistent. So we teach the robot to be a multitask. So we replace the manpower by using robots. So they won't on leave and they won't get tired. This is some project that we delivered before. The robot can do many jobs. They even, next time, they can work together with this operator together. So this
Xteven, this Alan here, I'm not seeing your slides. I'm not very sure others are seeing your slides or not.
Yep. So
I am not seeing your slides actually.
At all? Oh no.
So no, we can see. We can see.
All right. That could be something wrong with me.
Okay.
Thank you.
So,
it's all right. It's all right. Go ahead, Xteven. Go ahead.
Okay.
Alan, I see your video player.
All right.
So I need to play the entire video again. Okay, so it's okay. So I will skip this. So I will skip the video. So what we are doing now is actually we visit to the customer, no matter they are commercial or their factory. We do the design, we do the building for the customer, and then we onboard to deliver the robots and automation, and then monitor this on crowd. So for automation module, we are doing the project size is from 50K to 500K. For production line, factory automation can from 300K up to 5 million. So for warehouse automation and logistic distribution, come 2 million to 50 million projects. So this will be the conventional warehouse that that customer have. So 88.5 meter, 32 meter, they can get about 2,640 pallet because they are using this forklift to take the pallet. So what we implement is we implement this automation. We call it automatic warehouse crane. You can go up to 4,022 pallet. So you can get about 60% extra loading. If you build a warehouse even higher, 18 meter, you can just use half of it. You can get about 4,000 pallet. You save half of your land. So this will be automation that we want to raise fund to do. So we design the warehouse storage automations. So this is the stacker crane. It's an automatic storage and retrieval system. It's high storage capacity with the AI unloading. So once you load the pallet out, then we use the AGV system to pick the AGV, to pick the parts, and send to the exact location. So we from warehouse to the distribution center. So from conveyor to sorting line. So we also can use the operator to become an AGV sorting automation for the customers. And last but not least, the forklift will die by AI. So this will be the product that we want to develop. Where is the market is? So the market for factory automation is about, the CAGR is about 8.6%. So as you see, top left now, they need a lot of automation because of the pandemics. And then also the warehouse logistics will come up to 200 billion when they reach 2023. And then 2 billion square feet of warehouse that requires. Who are already invest? Gyeongnam, last 2 months, they invested 200 million on the warehouse expansion. And then IKEA, that select Malaysia to have this 900 million distribution center in Pulau Indah. So this will be our existing customer installation base. And then our company roadmap is, we started 2010 in ultrasonic cleaning machines, mostly for automotive. Then 2013, we moved into conveyor automation. 2015, we moved into this customized automation. 2017, we already scale up our business to robot automation. And
Xteven, I'm sorry, you're out of time already. Could you please wrap up in 1 minute?
Okay, no problem. So we now moving towards 2021 for the ASRS logistic automation, and then 2022 for factory automations. So this will be our competitors. So where we position ourselves is we position as lower price and higher value for the customer. So this will be our financial projection. We reinvest on our people. That's why you will see our profit after tax is a bit low, but our gross profit is about 53%. So this is our revenue chart. And then this is our team. So I'm the co-founder, and we have an entire sales team about 48 manpower. So we are prepared for largest projects later on. So our offer is minimum raise is 600,000, maximum is 4.8 million, minimum investment is 1,008. So now we are in pre-live investment offer, so you can have a look. And also the fund allocation, we are mainly target for talent and our working capitals. Yeah, thank you.
Okay, thank you, Xteven. Judges, the floor is yours.
Well, I think let's start with everyone did a brilliant job. So thank you for taking the time to sharing, for sharing all the work that you guys are doing for for various domains. Without further ado, let me just make sure I don't do this wrong. 1, 2. So I'm telling the top 3. Is that what I'm doing?
You will be announcing the runner-up first, and then the champion of the month.
Okay, so top 2. Got it. So the runner-up is Brand International. Congratulations. And the top scorer for this round is XTS Technologies. Well done.
Yep, thank you. Thanks.
Congratulations, Xteven, for becoming the champion of this month.
Yeah, congrats, Xteven.
Thank you. Thank you, Alan. Thank you, Chuck.